Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for database management system. Today we are going to continue the topic called what is data independence. So we have to see to our topic today and when you have doubt, please kindly check the playlist and continue with the classes. This is a tutorial. I hope that definitely helpful for who want to learn the basics of DBMS. So here data independence. So what you can say, what is meant by data independence? You can say the ability to modify the schema definition of a DBMS at one level. I'm using the laser here. So you can say the ability to modify the schema definition of a DBMS at one level without affecting the schema definition of the next higher level is called the data independence. So this is the independence. Now the question is how to achieve data independence. So if you want to achieve data independence, we first ensure the data abstraction. What is meant data abstraction? Data abstraction is nothing but it can be defined as extracting the necessary data by ignoring the remaining irrelevant details. Let's say example, if you take example real world entity like ATM you can say one of the best example of data abstraction because we am saying this ATM means what deposit withdrawal. These are the real time we are in the real world we are using ATM. Without ATM no it is deposit money transaction view and so on, fund transfer and so on and so on. And moreover the main purpose of here data abstraction is to achieve data independence. Now the question arises, what is the need of this data independence? Why we need? Because we know this is the one where helpful to enhance the security of the system. Remember, so enhance the security of the system and to save time and the price needed once the information is changed or different also. So save the time and the enhance the security is very important here. We go for the data independence here. Apart from this, here there are two levels of data independence. One is called physical level and one is called logical data independence. Now, what is physical level data independence? Here, it can be defined as the ability to change the physical level without affecting the logical or conceptual level. So, you can say example, and before example say, it gives the freedom for to modify the storage device, file structure, location of the database and so on without changing the definition of conceptual or view level. Because in the previous session I covered the three type of schema, everything physical schema, physical, logical and so on, concept schema also, conceptual level also. When you have doubt you can check it out. And here example you can say database of the banking system. So if you take database banking system, you can do all things, add the customer, delete, remove and so on and so on. You can do number of operations here. Next one is the logical level. So as the name implies, is the property of a database that can be used to change the logic behind the logic level without affecting the other layers of the database here. So moreover, we need it. You should require for changing the conceptual schema without having to change the external schema. That means it allows to make changes in a conceptual structure like adding, modifying, or deleting an attribute in a database. Example, let's assume there will be a database of banking system. So you want add details from new customer, what you can do? We can add or update or delete the data of a customer. At the logic level, data will be changed, but it would not affect the physical level or structure of the database. That is important. So without affecting, we can do some performance. That is a logical level data independence. When I go for the banking transactions, or you can say banking system or banking operations. So these are the important points about the data independence on the logical and physical level. If you have doubts or queries, please kindly communicate with the following social media, what are going in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and like and share it. Thank you.